How to enable or disable developer option on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. In this video I'll walk you through the steps on how you can enable or disable developer option on your device. So I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So in order to enable or disable developer option on your device, you'll have to open up your settings application, and once you open up your settings application, right on top you need to click on the search bar and then type in version. Right on top you'll be able to see version, and then you need to click on it, and in the top right corner there is an option as version. Once again, click on it. So in order to enable your developer option on Android, what you need to do is you need to click on build number for 7 times. Now you'll need to retype in your PIN for the confirmation. And right at the bottom you can see there is an option as you're now in developer option. Once you've enabled the developer option, what you need to do is you need to head back to the same page or on the settings page once again. Now instead of version you need to type in developer option. You can see that the developer option is currently enabled or turned on. So this is how you can turn on or enable the developer option. So similarly, in order to disable it, all you need to do is just do the same procedure, that is type in developer option on the search bar, and then you need to toggle the switch, and as you can see that the developer option has been disabled. And that is how simple it is to enable or disable developer option on Android device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also make sure to comment down below. Thank you for watching.